So this says to tell whether the triangle with the given side lengths is a right triangle. When you have something like this, they have three numbers. So they have the three sides of the triangle, and you have to prove it is a right triangle or not. And how you prove that is use the Pythagorean theorem. Now, I will let you know is that you have to figure out which one's the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is always the longest side. So that means that 25 is your hypotenuse because that's your longest side. And then 7 and 20 are your legs. So it doesn't really matter if you use A or B. So I'm going to make this one A and this one B. So I'm going to rewrite my formula. So I'm going to have 7 squared, because A squared, plus B squared, which is 20 squared, equals my hypotenuse, which is 25 squared. I'm now going to do 7 squared. Now, my calculator might be different than yours, but it still kind of works the same way. So I'm going to do 7 and then this x squared button. So 7 squared is 49 plus, we got 20 squared is 400. And then 25 squared, we got to bring down the equal sign, so 625. So then 49 plus 400 is 449 equals 625. So no, this is not a right triangle. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the other one. So we got tell whether this triangle with the given side lengths is a right triangle. So we're going to figure out which one's the hypotenuse, and it's always the longest side. So this is going to be C. Doesn't matter which one these are, so I'm going to make this one A and this one B, because these are the legs. So I'm going to do 24 squared, because that's A squared, plus B squared, so that's 10 squared, equals 26 squared, because it's my C squared, my hypotenuse. When I do that, I'm going to do 24 squared, 576, plus 10 squared, so 10 times 10, or 10 squared, it's going to give me 100. And then 26 squared, which is going to give me 676. If I take 576 plus 100, I'm going to get 676 equals 676. So if the two legs squared add up to the hypotenuse squared, then yes, it is a right triangle.